Hey everybody, so I'm going to start, of course, still posting the video here on the first slide about how the slides are going to look like for the week, but I'm also going to email it to families, okay, so that you can maybe even watch it together on the Sunday or the beginning of the week to kind of see where you were going for the week, okay? So I'm going to kind of talk to my kiddos, of course, but then also families in the same video, okay? So I have a list down here. If I keep looking down here, it's reminding me what to tell you. So community circle fun is one thing that I've added some extra slides to. So when you go there, there's, yes, some new ideas here that you can do and use, especially for like brain breaks and things like that. But if I go to the next slide, there's some outside fun. We had a question of the day last week about what would you do as a online teacher, like what would you change? And somebody had a really good suggestion of thinking of some outside fun. So if you are kind of stuck and don't have some new ideas, I'll post some new ideas for you each week here. Next I'm going to show you is a math tool. So especially the next couple of weeks, you're going to get some new concepts in math. So you might need some math tools that you would usually use at school, but you don't have them anymore. So like those base 10 and hundreds charts, they'll be right here for you next to your math slides. Okay, and when you see them here, there's a link to get to the hundreds chart that you can use online. And there's a video from me here that tells you how to use it. And same thing for base 10, those ones, tens, and hundreds that you might need in the next few weeks. There's a link here to use them online for yourself and your problem solving. And there's a video here from me showing you how to do that, okay? Next thing is kind of for families, but more specifically parents, okay? So this parent checklist that's gonna be starting there this week. This is optional like it says. You'll be able to print it either clicking here or going into Google Class, and you can kind of manipulate and use it electronically, making your own copy. But this one, it kind of has all of the week's specific jobs on there, and then it has the suggested activity highlighted in green. So it helps you to kind of have it all in one place instead of shifting through the slides with them. Parents, then that might be something that you want to use. So it's there if you need it. And let's see, last thing I want to really quickly go through the suggested activities, okay, for each subject. So reading this week, when I go to the one that says suggested activity, it is main idea, okay? Main idea and central idea sometimes give us a hard time, so they might need a little bit guidance on that. There is a video here from me helping. And the suggested way is to go on, remember if you click on here, it takes you to the sharing work. And the one that I'm suggesting for reading is to go online onto Google Class and they can type in. I've given them a document to type on, okay? Writing is next. Writing is using their writing from the last couple weeks to revise it. So here's the suggested activity. Here's my learning video that helps you. I would suggest turning in the picture. A lot of you have been writing it on a hard copy, so taking a picture and uploading it into Google Class is here. If you are typing it, a couple of you who are typing it, then this video kind of shows you how you can show that work. Next should be math, and we're going to be doing fractions in math this week. So on the fraction suggested, when I get there, it has your suggested activity. Now I'm suggesting you go into Google Class and get a copy of this slide from here. I already have made one for you, and you can just drag your fractions here. And of course, you've got a learning video for me if you need help. And social studies. You're going to be doing some research on some inventors. So you're going to go to PebbleGo. My learning video here shows you how and reminds you how to get there, especially from home. My suggested activity is to take a picture of your research or take a picture of this fun activity over here of your invention. Okay. And then last but not least is science. Okay. Science is going to be working on some weather this week. Okay, there is a learning video that helps you know, but when you click on this tiny graph that you're going to be doing, it is tiny. Don't try to do it on this small graph. It shoots you to your graph of your own, but the video kind of shows you how to do that. So yeah, that's it for this week. So let me know, keep those questions coming. It's telling me I'm almost out of time, so perfect. Keep those questions coming and have fun.